Imagine a world consumed by raging waters, a lone vessel bobbing against the storm. This is Noah's Ark, a miraculous symbol of hope amidst the great flood. Chosen by God, Noah built the ark to save his family and pairs of every living creature. As torrential rains fell for 40 days and nights, the ark floated safely while the earth was transformed. After months adrift, the waters receded and a rainbow emerged, signifying God's promise never to flood the earth again. In this tale, faith and obedience triumph.